Let's take a swim in some ponds here in Bold Trail. When you come to the Contacts tab and you're an admin, logged in as an admin, you'll see here that you have ponds and you have the option to create a pond. Now, what a pond is will become clearer in a minute here as we go ahead and name the pond. And let's say we're using Property Boost to generate leads for our entire office or team, and we want to route all those leads from Property Boost into a shared pond. And that's basically what a pond is. It's a place where your agents can go and claim leads out of them. So we have a few options for reclaiming rules where you can take the lead back if the agent doesn't work the lead quick enough after claim contact does not have a campaign assigned in 3 days, if they haven't responded, number of past due calls or tasks since the assignment. You can claim the leads back. We'll go ahead and click here now. You can add the members of the pond, so you can select your team or office and start to check off the different agents who will be getting those leads right there. You can send a summary daily of what's going on with the pond, and then you can control what notifications go out for people who are a member of the pond. Now, an appointed agent is the agent who all automated pond communications will come from if no agent is yet assigned. So the system will send automated campaigns and attempt to text and email, whatever rules you have set. So you need to have a designated agent there who is the person who the communications are coming from. And then when the lead is claimed, the communications will start coming from the agent who is assigned. Next, we have our filters here. And what this is the ability to just go ahead and retroactively add people into a pond who are in specific hashtags or in specific filters that you've built using the search filtering options in the CRM. So once we click finish here, our pond will be available. And then the next step is going to be to go ahead and go to lead routing to set some rules for how your leads get into the pond. So if I go to lead routing right here, and I click new rule, I'll also mention you can access lead routing anytime if you're logged in as an admin by clicking your picture up at the top right or your icon and going to the lead routing option. Another thing to note is that you'll want to be in the office that you're creating the pond in when choosing your lead routing rule. So up here at the top left, we've chosen the office, and now we'll click new rule. And we'll now see we have the option right here where it says who receives the leads we can assign to a pond. So we'll call this Property Boost lead routing. We'll click pond right here. We'll then select our pond that we just created, Property Boost. And the next thing we'll need to do is make sure that we are choosing the appropriate hashtag to route the leads to this pond. So we'll know what our source has attached to it. We have the source Property Boost, or it might be Property Boost as the hashtag. And this will depend on your lead source, how they're coming in. For Property Boost in particular, I think either source Property Boost or hashtag Property Boost should do the trick for you right here. Then once we do this, we go ahead, we click add rule, and we are done. Now, anytime a Property Boost lead comes in, it will be added to that pond, and then agents will have the ability to go to the pond and accept leads out of it. So not only will they receive a notification if you've set them up to receive that there are leads available from the contacts page, and then claim leads that end up in the pond dashboard here. So if you're looking for a way to provide leads for your agents and you want to make sure that only the most responsive, tuned-in agents are able to claim those leads, ponds are a great solution. You can do this for any number of lead sources, and it's a great way to keep your agent base excited that you're providing leads for them, but also make sure that the spend and the time that you're spending to generate those leads is distributed to the agents who are most interested and ready to work them via these ponds. Be sure to comment down below with any questions you might have, and definitely subscribe to the Inside Real Estate YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one.